What's going on, guys? It's Corey from TZNation87. We got a new video coming up for you like I told you that I was going to put out for you today. Before I get into that, I want to speak upon something. Should be a special surprise coming up. Opportunity to change something instead of making it look that way. I can actually change it, put it into perspective, and it will actually look great. That's in the next video or in a later video. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, just know that it is definitely coming. Just expect something to happen greatly, which is going to make everything look perfect. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Hope you guys are keeping it easy. Hope you guys are keeping it safe. Today I'm going to bring a new video today, like I told you guys. You guys asked, well, or like I said it was going to be the next video, and I'm delivering it. Now I'm going to take apart this whole entire wiring harness, separate where my room is, and then I'll bring it back up and put it in place.
Hell, it's about time.
So we know, guys, due to the fact of it, due to the fact that I'm working, some of this might be, I think this might be a two-parter series, but because I'm working and I'm doing other stuff, so let's just get this apart. If you guys can't see me,
You can't see me.
I apologize. And if you didn't see what happened, why is it like this, peep up to the last episode. I'll throw in the clip. So I need to get this. These do not work. Grab this, and let's get to work. What's going on, guys? This is Corey from TZNation87. I'm pretty sure people are freaking out in the comments saying, "Whoa, he's actually finally getting down to work." Yes, I actually am. And so basically, I gotta figure out. My phone had died on me. What I was trying to tell you guys is I put that back together. I put that rail, it was right there. I put it right up here. Now, this is the E85. That is the fuel flex fuel sensor. The harness is inside of the car. Now, how I want to run this, I have to, some parts I'm gonna have to get new again, but your fuel pressure, wanted to check it here so I could open up and easily check the fuel pressure. Have the E85 come up this way, come into these, go over here with a crossover, and start like that. And as you can see, let me move this. I have moved some of the wires, and as you can see, I can see my throttle again.
The dawn of time, sing this song with me.
This will be the last time that I take this apart and put it together. You keep taking stuff apart and putting it together, taking it apart, putting it together. We have a chance of destroying it. So this will be the last time it's going to do this. I'll take these off from here. I don't want to destroy the actual. This is already destroyed. That's one piece. See? I don't know if you guys seen or not because of the camera. I'm going with my old trusty knife here. A knife needs to get a lot of stuff off without breaking it. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to actually take them off. Trying to save some stuff here, but I'm looking, so last time I'll take all this stuff off. That. Take that off. I already threw this, so I can actually take this off. it's not tight on there. I took it off. Like I took it off so I can have easy access to take all this out of here. Now let me fast forward to when I have all this stuff off. Okay. Like I promised, like I said I would at the beginning of the next video, I took apart the whole entire wiring harness. What you see, the wires that you see there, it's part of the old wiring harness for like the lights, the turn signals, you know, stuff like that. But I took apart the old wiring harness and this is broke, of course. As I told you in the last video, that this part is broke. So, yeah. Get it to stay for a picture, but yeah, that part is broke, but fix her up, get these, fix up the wiring harness. I'm gonna like lay out my own little layout because I know it's facing this way, so I'm gonna lay the wiring harness this way, so that way when I have everything all figured out, according to plan, take a picture of it, put everything according to where it needs to go and everything, and reassort it and reorganize it and re-clean it and redo whatever I need to do. It's all there. But as you see that I got the wiring, as you can see that I got the wiring harness right here. So like I said, it was laid this way, so I'm gonna have it running this way. So when the injectors, when I have the injectors like that, I can have the wiring harness come like that, and that long piece, like try to have that long piece going behind the engine and going in that way. But I got some work to do. Like I said, this is going to be a two-parter. I probably will be doing this all film because I wouldn't have enough space anyway. But as you're seeing, sorry if my hands are. It's doing that thing I'm getting worried with the temperatures are going up and down and up and down. And that's where I get my sinus headaches from, and for some reason my fingers wants to be cold all of the time. So sorry for the lack of hyperness in this video. I promise you the next video should be full of hypeness, jokes, and surprises. It's probably going to be a funny one. But like I said there, my hands are freezing. Like I said there, everything's going to be coming down this way, coming down that way. And everything, I'm going to have it according to the way that I want it to look. And hope for the best. I really hope that this is going to work. Because if it doesn't, I will screw it out of $1,000, pretty much. And I'm going to have to go to Hulk Sturgeon. So, take this off because that's literally how I was holding it. You guys think I was lying. That's how I was sat the last video. That's how I sat it this way. It's the only prop that I got. So right now, I'm gonna find something so I can plug these holes up off camera. But I'm gonna finish this vlog up in my room. So let's do that. It's because you guys literally caught me like I made this video as soon as I woke up in the morning. So my hair is not done. I am not done to look or anything. I just simply wanted to get it done for you guys like I told you I was gonna try and do. So if you like the video, if you like the content for this video, be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. Next part, I'm probably going to do what I need to do and organize it off camera because to concentrate, I'm gonna need music and play music and like I'm gonna play rock music and different people, and I don't want to get a copyright and all this other stuff. I'll put in pictures. I'll put in pictures for you for you guys. But as far as actually filming that, I'll film the after effect. But if you like this video, give this video a big old thumbs up. All my social links, all my links are down in the. Sorry, I just woke up. All my links are down in the bottom of the description. TJ Nation 87, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. My brother's link is down there if you need any service done for your automotive work done. It's all already there. So give this video a big old thumbs up. Take care. Keep it TZ to the end, guys. Have a great day.